Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect Wi-Fi network with Amazon Kindle. To do this, first we'll need to click on the three dots in the top right corner of our screen, navigate to the settings, then look for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Here's the Wi-Fi network. Make sure that the airplane mode is disabled like I have right here. This should unlock the Wi-Fi networks that we can enter. Then you will see all of the networks that are detected by your Kindle. You can click on each network to begin connecting process, and for most of them you will need to enter a password. Then tap connect, and it should connect you with that network. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.